Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to install applications using Explore app on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply click on app launcher icon, look for the Explore application, simply open it. Here click on apps and games option. And here you'll find all the apps and games that are optimized for your Chromebook. Simply look for the application you want to install on your Chromebook. Then click on this choose option drop-down menu, and here you will find options to install application. If your Chromebook support Google Play Store, then you can simply install the application using install from Play Store option. When you click on it, it will open Google Play Store, and from here you can simply install the application. However, if your Chromebook does not have Google Play Store support, then you can simply install the web version of the application by clicking on this install from web option. It will open the installation window, install apps on your Chromebook, simply click on install, and it will install the PWA. So that's it. This is how you can install applications using Explore app on your Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.